Welcome back guys. In this video tutorial, we are going to make this spherical drone. Without wasting any time, let's get started. Let's take a sphere and then rotate it like this. Now go to edit mode and press Ctrl R to make loop cut at two places as I have done. Now select faces by pressing Alt left click and select these ones with Ctrl left click. Now to separate them, press P and click on the selection. Now coming to the front view, select these faces like me. Make sure you have Loop Tools add-on enabled. Then right click Loop Tools and Circle. Now extrude in X-axis and then press SX0. Now add loop cut around here and add subdivision modifier to both of them. Now select these three faces and press E for extrude and then scale for just a little bit. Now select these edges, press E for extrude and scale in Y-axis. After that, select this object and go into the edit mode, select these edges and press F. Now select edges and press Ctrl B for bevel just a little bit. Now select this sphere and do the same. Select these edges and bevel them a little bit. Now arrange these objects by scaling them. First, scale on y-axis and then press dot and click on individual origin. Now scale. Now let's add a cylinder and adjust like I did. Then press I to make a face and after that add 3 loop cuts by pressing Ctrl R. Select this one, enable proportional editing and move like this. After this, add cylinder with 150 vertices and then scale and move in edit mode so that our origin point stays at the same spot. Now duplicate by pressing Alt D and cancel the movement by pressing right click and press R and 120 degrees. And one more time. Now join these cylinders. Select this cylinder and add Boolean modifier and take a knife tool to these cylinders. Now take a cylinder and adjust it like this. Let's add Boolean and target to these 3 cylinders. Now some edges have to be removed to give it a bevel. Now add a small cylinder and Boolean with this object. Now follow me and bevel this object. Now select these 3, then insert their faces and extrude inside. Select these edges and bevel them. Also these ones. Select these edges and duplicate and press P, then click on selection to separate. Now convert these edges into curve and increase the depth values and set resolution. Now move the cursor to the middle of a cylinder as I have done. After that, take a cube and go into the edit mode and scale and adjust it as I am doing. After this, bevel the edges and insert the faces and assign it with a new material. Now bevel these edges. Now press Alt D, duplicate and then press R, X 90 degrees. Now repeat the action by pressing Shift plus R. Now take another cylinder with 100 vertices, then adjust it like this. Now after insert the faces, delete them and join with bridge edge loops. Duplicate this spring and scale down and adjust its position. After all this, add one more bevel to cylinder for camera. Now select these faces and insert them. Now select the faces like me, assign them with a new material. After that, bevel these corners. Same for the little one, make two loop cut and assign with new material and bevel corners. Now set origin to this one and import cube and adjust its edges and scale and bevel it. Now duplicate this cube and rotate on x-axis around 120 degrees one more time. After this, select this one and join them. And set their origin to the middle of the cylinder. Now shift D to duplicate, then press R, X 120 degrees one more time. Now select these edges and duplicate them, separate edges by pressing P selection. Now select, go into the edit mode and make face and then extrude little bit and bevel. Give this new material and duplicate like this. Go to render view, change principal shader to glass and decrease the roughness value. Hide one of them and select these ones and follow my lead. And now this object is completely done. Hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. See you soon in the next one. Goodbye guys.